Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how to manage conflicts in projects. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, and today we'll see this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. How to manage conflicts in projects. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that conflict by itself is not a bad thing. It's a disagreement between two parties or more than two parties. It's just a difference of opinion. So, conflicts by itself is not a bad thing. However, if conflicts are not managed properly, so maybe it could become a issue. So, now coming towards our main topic, that how we can manage the conflicts in the project. First of all, exercise power. Exercise power means that you can use your authority. For example, you are a project manager and you have a full authority over the resources. So if there is any resource among the two parties, like two resources are conflicting upon some point, so by using your authority you can take the decision and direct them that you have to follow that particular direction. So that means you are exercising your power, your authority. Withdrawal or avoid, this is another approach. Withdrawal avoid means that, for example, some issue with the customer, for example some issue with any party, any resource. So one option or one approach is that to avoid or withdraw. Avoid means that you can delay the things, like for example you will not take any decision right now, you will take decision after 1 month, for example. So this is a tactics to manage the conflict, that you are delaying the things just to avoid or withdraw the things. Compromise, this is another approach. Compromise means that if there is any conflict between the two parties, so we can agree on some points at which both parties can agree, like not all the things are at some point, at some level, at which two parties can agree. So to some extent, so we will say this is a compromise. Another approach is call in the sponsor. Call in the sponsor means for that you there is some conflict among the two parties and it is not resolving among the two parties, so that we can escalate the matter to the sponsor or very high management. Like for example, you are a project manager dealing with the resources or with the customer and things are not resolving, so you can send a request to your project sponsor or CTO, CO, that you need some help from him. Solve the underlying problem, not the symptom. That means, friend, that for example conflicts are occurring, like some conflict is occurring, like for example that means, for example, you are deploying a release on production and many times there are issues are occurring, like conflicts are occurring, like someone is saying that issue from QA side, someone is saying that QA from the problem from the application side, etc. So the main thing is that you have to identify the core reason, root cause, that why issues are occurring. Not focus only just on the symptoms, you have to focus on the root cause. For example, in that particular case, maybe the team is not technically skillful, team is not properly having the right skills, having the right proper skills, they maybe need some training. So after that training they can become more useful. Delegate. Delegate means, friend, as a for example you are a senior project manager and you have to do other tasks as well, so you can assign the tasks to project coordinator, for example, or project manager, just to delegate the things, that so that they can resolve the things. This is another approach to delegate the things. Another approach is call a meeting. Call a meetings means that for call all the stakeholder, like from customer side, from your side, your functional side, technical side. So have a meeting in a conference room and discuss openly about the issues. Here it is very important that agenda of the meeting should be very clear. Everyone should have to be very clear that what are the things which you are going to discuss. Then listen. Listening is another very important thing, friend. See, friend, if you listen properly, you can take decision properly. So the listening skills of a project manager should be very good. He should be able to listen, understand, and take the decision accordingly.